welcome to Kids Easy Drawing.
Hello kids, I am Jayas. Today I will show you how to draw a simple flower dress. So let's start. So first I am using black marker. Step 1. Draw the top of the dress. First, draw 2 small curved petals at the top. These will be the princess dress neckline. Now connect them with curved lines going down to make the upper body of the dress. Wow! Our royal gown is starting to appear. Draw ribbon strips. Now draw 2 curved ribbon lines across the skirt. One ribbon goes near the top. Another ribbon goes just below it. These ribbons make the dress look fancy and royal. I hope you like this video and learn more things. Add long vertical panels. From the waist, draw several long curved lines going down to the bottom of the skirt. These lines divide the dress into colorful sections. Wow! Our gown is becoming extra stylish. Draw cute hearts. At the bottom of each section, draw tiny little hearts. Hearts make every princess dress look magical. Aw, so cute! Hey kids, let's learn about colors. So first, this is pink color. This is red color. This is black color. This is sky color. This is orange color. This is light pink color. This is brown. This is purple. This is blue color. This is light green color. This is yellow color. This is dark green color. This is Rama color. Coloring time. So kids, first I am using yellow color. Color the neckline and hearts. Color the neckline and all the little hearts yellow. Look how bright and shiny they are. So kids, now I am using orange color. Color the main dress. Color the top part and alternate skirt sections bright orange. Orange makes our dress look warm and cheerful. Color the other sections. Now color the remaining sections purple. Purple is a royal color fit for a princess. Orange color. Yay! Our beautiful princess dress is complete. Wow kids, we made such a beautiful princess dress today. I hope you enjoyed drawing with me. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more cute drawings. Bye bye little artists. See you in the next drawing videos. bright yellow. Look how sunny and cheerful it becomes.